Rushua kavuna Rushua kavuna koko. Ibihe biranze bihaye ibindi bihinduye byose byo gatsindwa ndaganira n'iminsi ubutitsa ariko ntigire ikimbwira. But now, Almighty, whom I have served already, and choose not to greedy, but flow enthusiastically the way towards wisdom, as you pre-ordered. I just want to know why. Satchels scratched my shoulders, bags bent my back, shoes shrunk my soles and heels, and the sun sneered to my bald head, brought by school's doors, not by nature. But finally you rewarded me. Go home and sleep. Sans job, sans money, simply sans everything but only thoughts, academic and empty skills, which I hardly practiced. Uwakumva mvuga uruzungu yanyekera mu bakunga akirengagiza n'akaga kungo nakungize kera na babahungu bahoraga bahondobera bahungizanya by'ubutitsa bahoberana nk'ibihore ntibahweme guhunga abarezi bakanyita ubutitsa umurezi ngo nuko nabafasha mu businzi bwacyantoye iki giti n'ikera reka mpindura umuvuno bidashira kera wa muboro wase wa muvunyi na wa muruho wakavuna bitamvuburira imvuvu ngabakavura ivundi. Nuko ibitabo ndabitora babita batoto mbaterera hirya amataha gasanga nyiga gutira integrals intege na interconnection nkabyitoza by'ubudatuzo bw'imyitozo ya zamanota nkayora ngatera hejuru ndishimwa mana shimwa dawe shimwa Rwanda ntahari subwo ubuzima sobo wabusuzugura ntiyabasembwa ko nge muna busomba gucyura isanzu bwa bisangwa bya bigombi turi. Lakini mpaka sasa hivi hakuna kazi ni sentence ya kila siku ni najibu ya kila swali. If Kim Tai can tie, why can't tie? An inspirational tongue twister from a Peter, my headmaster, that somehow soothed the blisters down there on my toes, but it still left me with empty hand, empty belly, and empty pocket. Maybe I should have not mimicked Kim Tai. Kwa hivyo Mwenyezi Mungu, nimesema Kinyarwanda, kama Kinyarwanda ni ngumu, nimesema Kiingereza, kama Kiingereza ni ngumu, nimesema Kiswahili, tafadhali nisikilize na nipe kazi. But I'm thankful anyway for skills and knowledge that guide me correctly. And yet, I never wince when I confront the meanness of the earth. Almighty, whom I've served already, and choose not to greedy, but flow enthusiastically the way towards wisdom as you pre-ordered. I'm still waiting for the answer, but which is more? May my humanity and love for all be kept alive until your response will arrive. This is Unemployed Graduate's Lamentation by Umucunguzi Leonard.